So hello, hope you're all doing great. I'm Shamsul Gori and I'm going to be making a series on design patterns. So what are design patterns? Design patterns are reusable solutions for commonly occurring problems in our software. So when a solution gets repeated over and over in various projects, someone eventually puts a name to it and describes the solution in detail. That's basically how a pattern gets discovered. So let's imagine a problem here where we have a GUI. And in this GUI, we're doing operations like drawing, typing, and a bunch of other operations. And for these operations, we want to have the option to undo and redo these operations, something like paint. The solution to this problem is called the command pattern. The command pattern makes us deal with actions like the undo and redo as objects, commands that we can store and control. So now we can undo, redo, do a lot of other actions on these types of commands. So what do you think is the importance of design patterns? I believe that these are some of the important points that make design patterns important. Consistency, because it provides a standard structure and terminology for us developers that makes the code easier to understand and quickly understand the intent behind a specific pattern. Efficiency, because it saves us time by using a proven solution, so we don't have to think from scratch, and it minimizes errors and testing effort. Collaboration, because it's a more of a common language for us developers now. We can easily understand each other when we talk with a common language. Solve software problems. Well, patterns often offer a reliable solution to common problems that makes the code scalable and easier to maintain. Code readability, because the patterns are more organized and self-explanatory, so it improves readability for all of us as team members. And obviously maintainability, because it's a clear structure that's easy to update or extend, and that's its intent. Okay, so let's start talking about the exciting points. So what are the types of design patterns? Basically, we have three types: creational patterns, structural patterns, and behavioral patterns. From their names, creational patterns, they deal with object creation. They aim to create objects in a manner suitable for a specific situation. Then we have structural patterns that deal with object composition. They help us ensure that if one part of the system changes, the entire system doesn't need to do so. And finally, we have behavioral patterns that deal with object interaction. Behavioral design patterns focus on how objects interact and share responsibility. That's it for now. Keep tuned to learn more on design patterns, as we're just getting started and it's going to get more interesting. I hope I was helpful today and you learned something new. If so, please let me know to make my day. Thank you and bye.